Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ives number 574 B26D coat and hat hook and a satin chrome finish over solid brass. This is the 574, and this hook is available in multiple finishes. The 26D, it would be better to call this 626, or more accurately, but Ives is using the old US standards for the naming convention, so they're calling it 26D satin chrome. It's also available in the B10, which is satin bronze. B10B, the B in the part number infers a brass base material. If that number were A, it would be an aluminum base material, and it's not a smudge, it's just some of the base material not fully finished on the back side of this, which of course you'd never see. So here are the finishes. 10 for satin bronze, 10B for oil rubbed bronze, 15 for satin nickel, 26 for polished chrome, 26D for satin chrome, 3 for polished brass, and 4 for satin brass. Okay. There are some dimensional properties that we're going to go over here now. The overall projection they have at 3 3/4, and I would say that that would be about right. They have an overall height of 4 3/4. That'd be about right as well. The base diameter, the base width, 1.25 inches. The base height, about 1 3/4 inches. Okay. Nice quality item. The fit and finish is certainly respectable. I would not have a hesitation to use these. Being solid brass, it's going to be costly, but being solid brass, it will afford a good representation of the architectural finish. There is a bit of a differential between the finish that's up on the hook and the base itself. It's probably a limitation of this manufacturer's process. A couple of screws are going to be included in a complementary finish. Those screws, they're brass, or at least they're non-ferrous, so be aware of that, and when you're pre-drilling the holes, be sure to pre-drill them properly. You've got actual wood screws that are there. Probably number 6s would be my guess. Just be sure to pre-drill that hole. You don't want to shear that screw or certainly split the wood. Typically seen in both residential and commercial installations. Residential applications, you'd obviously see this in a mudroom, that sort of scenario. Coat and hat hook. There is a link below this video to a document called Installation, where you can just simply pull up a very straightforward installation overview. Mark where you place it, mark the holes, pre-drill them and secure. There's also then a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, where you can review a variety of different coat or hooks from Ives, about 3 pages there, and you'll see the 574, and on that page it will also refer to the same item in the aluminum base material, which you can get in the brass type finish, polished chrome type finish, and more of a unichrome. They're A92, zinc colored type finish. If you need this hook and you just need it as inexpensively as possible, the A92 would be the color that you would want, the base material and color you'd want. The A92 would prove to be least expensive. If you have any questions on the Ives 574, you can pull up below this video a link to the manufacturer's page and pull up their full line catalog, as well as all the Ives products that we sell, and a link to the manufacturer's website. Any questions on the Ives 574 and a 26D satin chrome finish or any other Ives product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.